Thank you so much from Usha Patel's Gardens and Blood, Big Line. Good morning, yes, good morning, then good afternoon here. Thank you so much for coming. How are you? I'm good, always good every day. To carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children. Overall, we are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright. It's time, darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Letting you look perfect tonight. Thank you so much, Usha Patel's Garden. Thank you for coming to my life. Baby, I'm doomed between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for your thumbs up, Usha Patels.
Asim ng kalamansi at anghang ng sili? Mag-Baileys Extra Big Chili Mansi na!